This is the Joe Piscopo Show. Peter King here with Frank Moreno and Al Gattulo. So last week we had our client cruise, and where Al and I are taking refuge on the top deck, smoking cigars, and then the minority leader of the New Jersey State Assembly, John Bramnick, points to a guy who looks too cool for school, and he says, "You see that guy over there? That's money." Well,
it's a pretty good John Bramnick.
Thank you very much.
Good.
Yes. So that guy who was in sunglasses, looked like out of a late 1980s action film, has joined us in studio. He's Michael Mikhail. He's the CEO of Stratton Equities. Michael, it's good to see you again.
You too, Frank. Pleasure, brother.
Good to see you. You had fun on that. You had fun on that cruise, huh?
It was a great time.
Yeah, it was. It would just stay close to the mic there, if you will. So now remind us, what is Stratton Equities?
So Stratton Equities is a nationwide direct private money lender. We specialize in alternative financing for real estate investments.
So what makes what you guys do different from other companies in the industry?
Well, there's a lot of factors. One of it is, is programs. Stratton Equities has the widest range of mortgage programs under any one roof, and a lot of people don't realize that, they have a hard time trying to find a mortgage. It's not really the mortgage. They're having a hard time finding the program that fits their situation. So number one, we're the widest range of programs under any one roof, so we can help more borrowers. We're nationwide. There's a lot of factors that really makes us very different.
Now, we spoke with you when you were on with Joe a couple of weeks ago about your kind of rags to riches story, about going from sleeping on other people's couches to living in all these different countries, like you're some sort of an international fugitive, to starting this wildly successful mortgage company. But why did you start this particular type of mortgage company?
I saw that there was a niche in the market. I saw there was a big need. I realized some of the biggest companies are very limited in what they can and can't do, and it really affects two people. It affects the loan officers that work for these companies. Their hands are tied. People come to them all day and they can't really help them because they don't have the programs to help them. And then the borrowers. I mean, we've had people literally say, "Frank, we've been shopping for 6 months trying to find this mortgage, trying to get a mortgage. We couldn't find it. They come to us 2 weeks, it's done." So I saw that we can help a lot of people.
And who does Stratton Equities benefit primarily?
Well, so we specialize in investment financing. So we work with a lot of investors or people that have investment properties, rental properties, commercial, new construction, new development. So more on the investment side.
In any company and even any sort of government agency, it seems like even if there's great leadership at the top, sometimes you go down the totem pole and then there's people that are just not with the program. Mm-hmm. Now, your loan officers, do you personally train them?
Yes, I train them, I mentor them, I work with people. We're a very close-knit family over there, and that's where it's a family. That's the best way I can say it. We work together, we help each other, everybody's on the same team, and we have a ton of camaraderie in the office.
Give me an example, or give the listeners an example about one of the loans you've done and how that might stand out in your mind.
Well, we have one right now where a gentleman started buying real estate in the 70s. He has about $13 million of real estate in the North Jersey area. A lot of things happened. His father died, had a lot of issues in his family, couldn't pay the mortgages, so now he was pre-foreclosure. So he was going to lose his whole entire life savings, $13 million of real estate.
Jeez.
We were able to get him a loan, $7 million, pay everything off, put it into a new loan, and now he's not losing his whole entire his $13 million of real estate.
That's wild. That's some story. If people are just tuning in, we're talking with Michael Mikhail. He's the CEO of Stratton Equities. If folks are interested in learning a little bit more about Stratton Equities, what's the best way for them to do that?
StrattonEquities.com.
StrattonEquities.com. Michael Mikhail, you may see him from time to time on this show. Michael, it was good hanging out with you on the boat, and appreciate the cigar that you brought. It was a Padron. It was outstanding. It was one of those ones that it takes a little while to recover from that type of a cigar. It leaves you a little lightheaded, if you know what I mean.
Absolutely.
But it was very strong. It was great. It's good to see you, Michael. Thank you.